Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 7, subject chemistry, chapter 3 elements, compounds and mixtures. Today we will discuss methods of separation. Two methods we will discuss using a separating funnel and fractional distillation. These two methods are used to separate liquid constituents of a mixture. That means these two methods are used to separate the constituents when the mixture is of liquids. These two methods are given in your book on page number 47 and 48. So you will go through these two methods. Let us first start with using a separating funnel. Using a separating funnel, this method is used when the two liquids in a mixture are immiscible. When the liquids do not mix with each other, they are called immiscible. For example, oil and water. Oil and water do not mix with each other, they form layers. This type of mixtures, when the liquids are immiscible, then the separating funnel is used to separate the liquids. Let us understand this with an example. A mixture of mustard oil and water can be separated by a separating funnel. As you can see in the picture, mustard oil has formed another layer and water another layer because oil and water do not mix with each other, they form layers. Water is heavier than mustard oil, and so the lower layer will be of water and upper layer of the oil. As you can see in the picture, lower layer is of water and upper of oil. So how to use this apparatus? First of all, we will pour the mixture of water and oil in this apparatus. We will put a beaker at the bottom of this apparatus, as you can see in the picture. After that, we will open the stopper. We will keep the stopper open until all the water has dripped in this beaker. The oil will be left in the separating funnel and water will get separated in the beaker. In this manner, the separating funnel is used to separate two liquids when they are immiscible with each other. This method is used to separate oil and water, petrol and water, and similar other mixtures. But students, how can you separate the constituents, the liquid constituents, when they mix with each other? When the liquids are miscible with each other, we use another method, that is fractional distillation. The principle of this method is that it works on the basis of difference in the boiling points. So, how do we use the difference in boiling points to separate the liquid constituents in a mixture? Let us understand with an example. Alcohol and water are miscible. Alcohol and water get dissolved with each other and mix very well, and so they do not form layers. But alcohol has a different boiling point, 78 degrees Celsius, and water 100 degrees Celsius. So we will use this difference in the boiling point to separate these two mixtures. We will keep the mixture in this distillation flask, the mixture of alcohol and water. We will heat the mixture and we will heat the mixture up to 78 degrees Celsius. We will see the temperature in this thermometer. When 78 degrees Celsius is reached, alcohol will start boiling and will get evaporated. Vapors of alcohol in this pipe will get condensed using this condenser. The vapors of alcohol will get condensed and will be separated in another beaker, will be collected in another beaker. But water will not get evaporated at 78 degrees Celsius because its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Now, what is the use of fractionating column? This column is used because we know that there are several other factors which enables water to get evaporated, not only the temperature. The other factors are humidity, surface area and other factors. So, if by chance the few molecules of water gets evaporated even at 78 degrees Celsius, this fractionating column will contain those water vapor molecules here only, and the water vapor molecules will again drip in the distillation flask. So in this distillation flask there will be water only, and at 78 degrees Celsius alcohol will get evaporated and will get condensed here and will be separated in another beaker. So in this manner, this fractional distillation uses the difference in boiling point to separate the liquid constituents. This method is used to separate petrol, diesel and kerosene from the mixture. Now students, I am giving you few assignments. Which method should be used to separate petrol and water from their mixture and why? And why can separating funnel not be used to separate water and alcohol? Explain the process used to separate miscible liquids. Students, do this assignment in your fair notebook.